calle 3, estación de calle 4. Mundaca calle 1, Luchana calle 2, Ibarca calle 3, Guecho calle 4, ¿vale?
Delilah, what's it like in New York City? I'm 1,000 miles away, but girl, tonight you look so pretty, yes you do. Times Square can shine as bright as you, I swear it's true. Hey there Delilah, don't you worry about the distance, I'm right there. If you get lonely, give this song another listen, close your eyes. Listen to my voice, it's my disguise, I'm by your side. Oh, it's what you do to me. 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 What you do to me. Hey there Delilah, I know times are getting hard, but just believe me girl, someday I'll pay the bills with this guitar. We'll have it good, we'll have the life we knew we would, my word is good. Hey there Delilah, I've got so much left to say. If every simple song I wrote to you would take your breath away, I'd write it all. Even more in love with me you'd fall, we'd have it all. Oh, it's what you do to me. 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 1,000 miles seems pretty far, but they've got planes and trains and cars. I'd walk to you if I had no other way. Our friends would all make fun of us, and we'll just laugh along, because we know that none of them have felt this way. Till I can promise you that by the time we get through, the world will never ever be the same, and you're to blame. Hey there Delilah, you be good and don't you miss me. 2 more years and you'll be done with school, and I'll be making history like I do. We know it's all because of you. We can do whatever we want to. Hey there Delilah, here's to you. This one's for you. What you do to me. Oh, 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 oh.
Ya.
Tiempos de la primera tanda: Castro 22.09.05, Donostiarra B 21.45.71, Colindres 22.50.86, Bermeo 22.03.78, Raspas 21.50.01, Zumaya B 22.22.19 y Santurci 21.34.86.
Ya.
I'm being followed by a moon shadow, moon shadow, moon shadow, leaping and hopping on a moon shadow, moon shadow, moon shadow. And if I ever lose my hands, lose my plow, lose my land, oh, if I ever lose my hands, oh, I won't have to work alone. And if I ever lose my eyes, if my colors all
Ya. 1.15.95, Luchana 22.18.62, Ibaica 21.40.70, Irecho 21.12.01.
And if I ever lose my legs, I won't moan and I won't beg. Oh, if I ever lose my legs, oh, I won't have to walk. If I ever lose my mouth, all my teeth, north and south. Yes, if I ever lose my mouth,
Tiempos de la última tanda: Hondarribi 21.23.26, Zarauz 20.54.57, Arcote 21.20.17 y Deusto 20.44.81. Por lo tanto, Deusto se lleva la bandera de Santander.
15º es Colindres, en el anterior puesto Zumaya B, 13º Luchana, 12º Castro, 11º Bermeo, 10º Raspas, 9º Donostiarra, 8º Ibaica, 7º Santurce, 6º Hondarribia, 5º Arcote, 4º Mundaca. El tercer clasificado es Guecho. Vamos a darles un aplauso, por favor, a los ganadores de la regata de Santander de esta 45 división. Ahí está el patrón. Muchas felicidades. Hoy han sido los mejores de la liga.